The civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for District of Columbia, D.C., all of Delaware, all of Maryland, all of New Jersey, all of Pennsylvania, all of Virginia, and all of West Virginia, beginning at 6:27 p.m. and ending at 9:27 p.m. WETA. Meteorite impact expected in Washington, D.C. and much of the Mid-Atlantic. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has made the discovery of 3 new meteorites, all roughly 2 miles in diameter, heading towards the planet. Direct strikes are expected in the following locations: Beijing, China, Moscow, Russia, and Washington, D.C., USA. Scientists are still unable to determine if this is a natural event or if it could possibly be related to the recent impacts in Wyoming, the Arctic Ocean, and France. Regardless, all persons within a 150-mile radius of the District of Columbia are advised to take immediate action, as impact is expected in the next 2 hours. Residents of the Washington metropolitan area are advised to evacuate now. Because of the urgency of this situation, please only gather essential items for evacuation, such as personal identification and a mobile device. Do not attempt to gather other belongings, as there may be no time to do so. Residents outside of the Washington metropolitan area are advised to remain indoors and prepare to seek a safe shelter, as impacts will occur over a very large area. For evacuation information, seek assistance from National Guardsmen in the area, or tune a battery-powered radio to 770 AM. Those outside of the evacuation zone are advised to tune to stations serving your local area. Please do not call 911 unless you have an immediate life-threatening emergency. If you do not have an emergency, it is asked that you do not use the telephone. The United States government has stated that they are currently developing a plan to try and combat this threat, and they will transmit further information about this as it becomes available. Please monitor local media outlets for more information.